Fill boiling pan with water and let boil. Add the macaroni of noodles and put them in when the water is starting to boil and bake for about 7 to 9 minutes depending on what kind of noodles you have. We're going to cook this in the microwave. Microwave beef. Our cheese blocks, shred some cheese with our cheese shredder. Shred it like so. When the noodles are done, drain them and put them on the bowl with the beef in it, and then add the cheese. And you can put some salsa con queso, whatever you want, whatever your taste is for flavor. Correction, just do 10 to 30 seconds to warm up and melt the cheese and the beef and the noodles. Thank you. Here is the final result. We're going to take a quick taste and check it out. That's good.